Hey guys, I'm here in another video. This is Hot Baby Day. Mama, mama. Yeah, and we'll go to Skywars. And I'm not even asking for a team. There's a rule in Minecraft. You shouldn't have any team, but the both of you will kill each other in the deathmatch still. This is a beautiful map. Wait, 5 minutes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, yes. Yep, dig here. Dig, dig, dig it out. Yes, I have a bow. Thank God that I have a bow because I'm good at bow. Hey. Oh. No! And why did I even stand there? Let's play again. It's just a quite short video because my screen recorder is not yet functioning. And please just PM me in Twitter, XSGamerDroid, and just PM me how to get the screen video to make a lot of time to make my video more exciting. It's Andrew Cool because I hate him. He's just my classmate. I hate him so much. And now I will shut down. Oh my god! No, no, not again. Come on! Why am I a loser in